Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. In Part A, the Lewis diagram for COCl2 features a central carbon atom double bonded to oxygen and single bonded to 2 chlorine atoms. Follow the octet rule and have formal charges of 0. Carbon has 4 bonds and no lone pairs, oxygen has 2 bonds and 2 lone pairs, and each chlorine has 1 bond. And 3 lone pairs. For Part B, we disagree with the student's claim. In carbon monoxide, CO, the carbon atom has 2 electron domains, a triple bond, and a lone pair. In sp hybridization, in COCl2, the carbon atom has 3 electron domains, 1 double bond and 2 single bonds, resulting in sp² hybridization. Great job working through that. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.